Question 3 on application of percentages to real life situations. We are asked that if St. Patrick's College admitted 120 students in the year 2016, 60% of the students admitted were to study science. How many students were admitted to study science? So you need to understand the question and then go ahead in solving them. So I'm going to interpret the question this way. Solution. Let's first of all get out the parameters from the question, that if St. Patrick's College admitted 120 students, it therefore means that the total number of students admitted, is said to be 120. That is in the year 2016. And they said 60% of the students admitted were to study science. So students to study science, that's the science students, are said to be 60%. Now, they said how many students were admitted to study science. So all we need to do is to find 60% of 120 students, and that gives us the total number of students who are admitted to study science. So we'll say let the number of students be x, so that x is said to be equal to 60% of 120 students. I have been able to express this question in algebraic statements. So let's look at it let's simplify this. This is equal to 60 over 100. For 60% means 60 over 100 times 120 over 1. That will give us the total number of students who were admitted to study science. When you divide by 10, this can cancel. Divide by 10, this goes. So that x is equal to 60 times 12 is said to be 72. So it therefore means that 72 students out of the 120 students were admitted into St. Patrick's College to study science. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situations.